Since 1995, National Covers has been the leading supplier of boat covers, carrying the widest selection and the best boat cover brands on the market. If you're looking for a top-of-the-line, waterproof line of semi-custom boat covers, then look no further than the Windstorm Series boat covers. Windstorm boat covers are available in over 40 patterns to match various boat styles. They are made in 1-foot increments of length to ensure a snug and tight fit. Windstorm Cooltech covers are manufactured with Perfecta Marine Aqualon Edge fabric and are especially suited for very wet conditions or extreme heat. This cutting-edge material is 100% waterproof and offers unrivaled heat reduction, heat reflection, and UV resistance to keep shaded surfaces protected. Covers come with sewn-in shock cord in the hem, heavy-duty XT strap kit, and stuff sack. Windstorm Cooltech covers are designed to provide years of waterproof protection. National Covers, America's trusted cover source since 1995.